Good morning everyone, welcome to Phonics on Monday. And we're going to start off today with looking at some tricky words. First we're going to see if we can read the words and then if you can write them correctly. Okay, so I'm going to hold up these, see if you can work out what this word is. Me. Well done. Next one. Was. The. I hope you know this one, we learnt this quite a long time ago. Should be getting familiar now. The. Okay. Into. My. You. And two more. He and her. Well done. Now what I want you to do next is try and have a go at spelling these words. So with someone at home, get them to say the word, like her, and see if you can write it down and spell the word correctly. It is tricky because we don't use these words very often and you have to think about it. So go through, notice which ones you're finding hard to spell and maybe give those ones some extra practice. So if you're finding this word tricky, you can read it, kind of try and take a picture with it in your brain, then put it away, write out the word, and then go back and check that you've spelt it correctly. Okay, good luck with that. Now, today and all this week, we're going to be looking at words that rhyme. And to get our brains thinking about rhyming words, I'm going to play a little game to start off with. So, I have got here cat, a rat, a hat, and a bat. Hopefully it's going to stay up there. So what I'm going to do is ask you to close your eyes or turn away. I'm going to take one of these objects away and see if you can work out which one it is. Okay, so close your eyes. No peeking. Okay, have a look again. So we've got the bat, the rat, and the hat. What's missing? Did you get it? The cat. I'm going to do that one more time, okay? Close your eyes again. Okay, look back. So one of those objects is gone. Which one? Bat, rat, cat. Did you remember? The hat. Well done if you got that right. Now you might notice that all those words had an at sound at the end of the word, and that is what makes them rhyme. So, we're going to have a look at a nursery rhyme that's written on here. I'm going to read it out to you. Before we do, let's just have a little look for some of our tricky words in the text here. So I wonder if you can find the word the anywhere on here. There's a few of them. Let's have a look. Have you found one? There's one here. The. You might have seen this one. And there's also one with a capital letter over here. Okay. I think that's all I can see, but you might have spotted another one. How about the word to? As in, I'm going to the shops. Yeah, it's got a capital letter, so it makes it a bit trickier, but it's down here at the bottom. 2. One more. How about, oh, there's also one here. Lastly, can you find the word was? It's quite hard when there's a lot of words there, isn't there? But there is one right here. Was. There's also one at the beginning of this word. There as well. But well done if you got that. That's a lot of words to look through. I tell you what, I'm going to read this out to you, and it's a nursery rhyme that I hope some of you have heard before, and it goes like this. It says, I'm starting at the top, sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Now I'm going to read it one more time, and maybe this time you could see if you hear any words that rhyme, that sound the same. And in nursery rhymes, it's usually one at the end of the line. So have a listen again. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Now, I saw there was a word that rhymed with sing. Can you remember what it was? Sing rhymed with king. And also the word rye, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. They're rhyming words too. So, last job for today. I've got my pie dish ready for a lovely pie, and my king's crown ready to put words in that rhyme with king or that rhyme with pie. So have a little listen to these. First up, I've got my. Does it sound like king or pie? Yeah, my sounds like pie. It's going to go in my pie dish. Okay. Thing. Does it sound like king or pie? Yeah, that one sounds like king, doesn't it? So I'm going to hold on to that one. Next up, tie. Yeah, tie sounds like my and pie. In it goes. Bring. Does it sound like king or pie? Yeah, it sounds like king. King and bring. Next one. Wing. Yeah, wing, king, thing. It's going to go with the king. Okay, I've got 4 more. I bet you're getting good at this now. Next one, lie. King or pie? Lie, pie. In it goes. Ding. King or pie? Yeah, that's another one with king, isn't it? Ding, wing, king. Die. Die, pie. Definitely. 2 more to go. Sigh. Sigh, king? That doesn't sound right, does it? Sigh, pie. They match. Let's put it in there. And lastly, high. High, pie. So let's just check. In our pie pile, we've got all the words that sound like pie. High, sigh, die, lie, tie, and my. Now, if you were super bright thinking this morning, you might have noticed that they don't look the same. There's different ways of spelling all these words, but they do sound the same, and that's what we're listening out for today. So good luck with rhyming activities this week. You might want to try and sort those activities out yourself, those words yourself. You might think of more words you could add to the list of words we've got already. Quite a nice thing to do is to look at your own books or get someone to read you a nursery rhyme and see if you can find some rhyming words in that. Find your favourite rhyme and pick out some rhyming words. But good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.